Don't waste money buying LED displays from China. The cost is too high. Tentech LED display SDNBHD already has ready stock imported directly from China, right here in Malaysia. No worries about warranty, technical support, or spare parts. Everything is available locally. You'll also receive a flight case, power cables, power supply, receiving card, and full training with us. We offer two types of LED displays, SMD display and COB display. Our video processors deliver top-notch quality and performance. Enjoy up to 3 years warranty. Check out our latest range: fixed LED display, rental LED display, indoor and outdoor display, transparent LED display, fine pixel LED display, curved screen, frame, and iPoster board LED display. Get your quote now and elevate your visual impact with Tentech LED display. Get your quote now